In this video, we're going to talk about Instagram, which is a social media platform where you can post photos and videos to share with your friends. We're going to start with creating an account. Search for Instagram or type instagram.com in the URL bar. Click Sign Up to create an account. You can log into Instagram with your Facebook account, or you can enter your phone or email and your name and create a username and password. Instagram will show a checkmark when it accepts your information. If you get a red X next to the username, it means the name is already taken. Put in your date of birth. This will be used to confirm you are old enough to have an account. It will not be visible on your Instagram. Instagram has now sent you an email with a confirmation code. Check your email. Copy the code from your email to the box on Instagram. Once you've copied the code from your email, click Next. Instagram will provide you with some suggested accounts to follow. Click the Follow button to add these accounts to your feed. You can also search accounts in the search bar at the top of the page. Once you've followed the accounts you want, scroll to the bottom and click Get Started. Now we'll talk about setting up your Instagram profile. Click your account on the right side to go to your profile. Click Edit Profile next to your username. You can update your notifications and settings as well as check your security and privacy settings in the left panel. You can upload a profile photo at the top of the page. You can write a short biography or add a website or blog or other personal information, which will be visible on your profile. Now we'll discuss the features of Instagram. This is your feed. You will see posts from the accounts you follow here in the middle. The heart at the top of the page will show you activity with your account, including new followers, likes, and comments. To create a post, you can click the square with a plus sign logo at the top of your page. Upload the photos or videos you want to post from the files on your device. Once your picture has been uploaded, move it around to make sure it is cropped correctly. If you want to add more than one photo to the post, click this button with the squares in the bottom right. When you're done, click Next. On the right side, you can put filters over your picture or adjust the brightness and contrast of the image. Click Next when you are done editing your photo. Here you can put a caption on your photo. You can add a location. You can also add a description of what is in your photo for those people who use a screen reader. You can choose whether to turn off commenting as well. Click Share when you are done. Once your post is shared, it will be visible on your profile and on the feeds of your followers. Here you can see what your profile looks like now that it has some posts. If you click on one of the images, it will open the post and allow you to see the caption, comments, and likes. Comments can be made at the bottom right on the post and will show up under the description. There's also the option to like the post, bookmark it for later, and send the post as a message to another account. This is what your post will look like on your feed. Comments will be listed below the post. Now we're going to take a look at the Roseville Instagram page. The Roseville Public Library has an Instagram page. You can find it by searching the library. Make sure it has our logo. Make sure to follow our account so that you can see our posts on your feed. We post about programs and new collections. We will also update the page with any announcements like building closures or changes of services and hours. You can send us a private message on Instagram once you are following our account. Your conversations with the library will be here. Once a staff member responds to your message, you will get a notification with the little speech bubble. Click your picture in the upper right corner, then click Log Out to sign out of your account. If you have any questions, you can contact the library via phone at 586-445-5407, via email at rsvlibraryservice@roseville-mi.gov, or via Facebook or Instagram messaging. You can also stop by in person whenever the library is open.